Introducing the Beko family of dishwashers. Beko dishwashers represent perhaps one of the greatest values in the entire appliance industry. The step-up premium features that come as standard on all Beko dishwashers demonstrate what an incredible value they offer. Beko dishwashers, truly an incredible value. When selecting a dishwasher, look for these quality features that come as standard. All Beko dishwashers come with a full stainless steel interior tub, where some at this price will come with a plastic tub or only a partial stainless tub. The Beko dishwasher comes with a full stainless steel interior. It offers a premium appearance, it can't stain like plastic interiors can, and offers an enhanced drying ability during water evaporation. All Beko dishwashers come with a flow-through inline water heater. You'll notice you don't see the round cal rod type heating element at the bottom of the tub. A flow-through or inline water heating element greatly enhances the reliability of the element. It heats the water much quicker, it's much more accurate, more energy efficient, and isn't in proximity to plastic ware being washed or dried like an exposed heating element comparable in other models is. The Beko dishwasher lineup is very quiet in their operation, offering noise levels of 49 decibels down to 39 depending on the model. This allows you the ability to take the conference call in the kitchen while the dishwasher's running. All Beko dishwashers have a robust quality build. They have metal wrapped sides and a sealed bottom. And watch this, please compare this construction to others. This is a much more rigid, substantial, and costly construction. And it offers additional sound insulation and heat retention, which is beneficial during the drying cycles. All Beko dishwashers incorporate a mastic insulation plus a heavy-duty felt-type insulation. This mastic is a dense material adhered to the outside of the stainless tub, then layered with insulation on top, and then the metal sides. Again, assisting in superior sound insulation and heat retention. Some others in our price category only provide a flimsy cotton pad draped over a plastic tub, so please compare. All Beko dishwashers have a turbidity sensor. A turbidity sensor measures how cloudy or dirty the wash water is and extends the wash time and/or adds water if a more soiled load is detected. This ensures a clean result, so don't wash your dishes before loading. Let the Beko dishwasher do it. This is a premium step-up feature, but included as standard with all Beko dishwashers. All Beko dishwashers have a flow meter for a metered water fill as opposed to a timed water fill. This eliminates issues of under or overfilled water levels due to water pressure variation from neighborhood low pressure to in-house water use while showering, with the lawn sprinkler on, or while the washing machine is running, perhaps all at the same time. Metered fill is a premium feature to have in a dishwasher and eliminates issues with water pressure variation and comes as standard with all Beko dishwashers. All Beko dishwashers have complete flood protection against leaks and oversudsing. If detected, it'll stop the cycle and drain or activate if incorrect detergent dosing occurs, preventing problems in the kitchen. All Beko dishwashers have a built-in high loop and air gap designed into the drain hose. This is a great feature. This eliminates a common installation error, protecting against siphoning of wastewater back to the pump and tub, which can create a service call. Super thoughtful. And now, let's take a look at some user features and benefits. Beko dishwashers offer an array of adjustable racking and loading options, making loading and unloading easy. Beko dishwashers come with a sliding cutlery basket. For added customization of loading, this basket can be positioned for flexibility and allows positioning above the Aqua Intense Power Wash on units with that feature. You decide where it goes for your custom loads. The rack tines are adjustable, allowing for larger or odd-shaped items to be easily loaded, and the upper rack is adjustable to allow for taller items in the lower rack, with tine adjustment here as well, and on some models, a full-size third rack. Our third rack gives extra capacity for cutlery and espresso cups while still allowing for glassware and bowls in the adjustable upper basket. These features combine to make loading and unloading a breeze. And here are some great features found on various Beko dishwasher models. Interior illumination. Select models allow for a well-lit interior and allows you to see everything, even in the back. Wi-Fi app connected. You can control and monitor dishwasher progress through this state-of-the-art technology. The Aqua Intense function. This is a power zone of intense water pressure to power your dishes clean with a 180-degree rotating spray arm and a 360-degree rotating head, delivering 5 times better cleaning performance. The Ion Guard function. This breakthrough technology neutralizes and removes unpleasant odors inside your dishwasher without the use of harmful gases or chemicals. The AquaFlex function. This dual water pressure cycle applies low water pressure in the top basket for china and delicate glassware, while blasting pots and pans in the lower basket with 60% higher pressure, offering great flexibility and customization through the AquaFlex function. And a convenient fast function, a time-saving function that cuts the cycle duration in half while increasing wash temperature and water pressure. An LED spot. With operation so quiet, this red LED indicator spotlight is directed to the floor at the base of the dishwasher so you're able to know if it's running or not. 167-degree water. Our flow-through inline water heating system delivers super high water temperatures for outstanding cleaning results and sanitation. And for a superior kitchen design, a full flush inset installation is possible. Beko's European platform allows for a full flush inset installation, a preferred function of design available with our panel-ready models. And for great peace of mind, all Beko products come with a full 2 years parts and labor warranty. So there you have it, an incredible combination of quality and features absolutely unmatched in value in the dishwasher business. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the incredible value found in Beko dishwashers.